If you've been following Wyze's product line, you'll recall their previous success with the Wyze Cam V3 Pro. Now, they're back with the Wyze Cam V4, priced at just $35.98. But you can get it now for $29.99 as special launch price, staying true to their commitment to affordability. So, what's new with the Wyze Cam V4? Well, there are several notable upgrades. Firstly, it now offers wide dynamic range video recordings, ensuring clearer footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, it's 85% heavier than its predecessor, giving it a more substantial feel. When it comes to connectivity, the Wyze Cam V4 connects wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.2 or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 6, ensuring a stable connection at all times. And for those concerned about storage, it now supports micro SD cards up to a generous 512 GB, doubling the capacity of its predecessor. It also offers unlimited cloud recording and AI person and object detection, but you'll need a subscription while also supporting continuous loop recording to a micro SD card up for local storage. However, it's important to note that the camera does not support RTSP. In terms of audio enhancements, Wyze has equipped the V4 with a louder 99 dB speaker and improved microphone pickup. Moreover, they've added a siren feature for added security, perfect for deterring intruders. Now, let's dive into the specifications. The Wyze Cam V4 features a Starlight CMOS sensor, enabling it to capture color videos during the day and black and white infrared videos at night. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440 and wide dynamic range, you can expect high-quality footage regardless of the time of day. Night vision capabilities have been enhanced with the introduction of color night vision technology, illuminated by either 272 lumen LED spotlights or 4 850 nm IR LEDs. With a horizontal field of view of 98.5 degrees and a vertical field of view of 53.1 degrees, you'll have comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Before you make your purchase, it's essential to consider compatibility. While the Wyze Cam V4 seamlessly integrates with a range of Wyze accessories, but it's not compatible with devices like the Wyze Cam Floodlight V1, Wyze Spotlight Kit, Wyze Garage Door Controller, and Wyze Solar Panel. And there you have it, everything you need to know about the Wyze Cam V4. With its impressive features and budget-friendly price tag, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security setup. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Stay safe, and until next time, take care.